Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to be taking a walk around our freshly built Rig Ready Ram. Guys, this one's going to be a 2026 Ram 3500 Laramie. It's going to come in that beautiful ceramic gray color with the night edition. You're going to have adaptive cruise control here, standard coming in the 2025 lineup, guys. Here you're going to have a 3-in-1 inch level kit. You're going to have 22-inch TIS wheels, Toyo 35-inch Toyo tires on this one, custom Rig Ready Ram kickback flaps, guys. Flares done on this one. You're going to have keyless entry getting into the passenger side here, so you're full leather throughout this one, power seats, all that good stuff. We'll get into the back side here. So this one's going to be a mega cab, so you have all that extra room. As you can see here, you're going to have some stuff underneath the mats.
There's not stuff underneath the mats.
There's nothing underneath the mat. I am a liar on this one. No big deal though. Coming around the back side, you're going to have your backup camera here already installed with the truck. Soft dropping tailgate. You're going to have bed hooks, bed lighting, fifth wheel prep package, so the truck is built to work for you from day one, guys. Rear sliding window on your back side there. Diesel DEF, nice and easily accessible to you. Getting into the rear seat here, you're going to have 4 different charging ports here, 2 USB-Cs, 1 USB, and then you're also going to have an outlet here, guys. You're going to have blind spot heated mirrors on this one, mirror lights. Getting into your driver's seat here, so you're going to have adjustable pedals, your beautiful digital cluster, column shifter, nice big display up front here with all of your auxiliary switches, your trailer brake control, all that good stuff. Power mirrors, memory seats, heated seats, all that good stuff, guys. If it interests you, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.